right, guys, my name's Aaron Cairo, and I'm here with Gabe Cruz, who loves varial flips. And he was like, Aaron, could you please keep varial flips alive? And I was like, dude, we're trying to kill him. We're trying everything we can to end varial flips forever. I'm just kidding. My name's Aaron Cairo, I'm a sponsored skateboarder, and today I'm gonna teach you how to land a varial kickflip. You might be asking yourself, but Aaron, is a varial a vert trick? And I'm not sure, I think it is. But for some reason, the street skaters took the name and said flip, and they made it a pop shove it and a kickflip. So you add that together. So it's interesting because when you are first learning how to skateboard, some of the very basic tricks that you learn how to skateboard, especially if you're following Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1 or my brand new series called The Skate Coach on the Braille Army Plus membership, you will learn ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, pop shove, front shove, heel flip, kick flip, and that takes you through all of what I call the basic skateboard tricks. I call them the basic skateboard tricks because they're all its own thing, and then from there, when you start getting more advanced, you pretty much add those tricks together. For example, pop shove it plus a kickflip is a varial flip. You might have guessed it. The tricks you need to know in order to land a varial kickflip is a kickflip and a pop shove it. Sometimes when people are trying to learn how to kickflip, they accidentally do a varial flip, and that's okay. That just means that you learned how to varial flip before you kickflip. People are always asking me, how do I not varial flip and how do I just kickflip? Simple. Don't scoop the back. So when you learn how to pop, there's several ways to pop. So the pop is with your tail and it's with your ankle. I only learned this by watching videos in about 1,000 frames per second. It's really interesting. Your back foot goes like that, and then it sort of pushes down, and then you jump, and then your tail hits the ground, and then it goes into the air. So if you just push literally straight down, your board is going to pop straight up. You know, what is skateboarding except a bunch of physics? Push straight down, your board goes straight up. Push down and back, your board will push down and spin. So with the pop shove it, you push down and back just a smidge. I mean, I could talk for probably an hour about just a pop shove it. Down, back, pop shove it, right? So if you don't want it to do that motion, you have to just push down, just down, right? So down and then drag, flick, kick flip. So all a varial flip is a combination between your back foot shoving down and back and your front foot drag and up. And it causes this flip. Right there, just pop, flick, bada boom, bada bing, da 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 ding. And then you catch it with your front foot, bring it down, and leave your back foot on. For this trick, as long as you have pop shove-its and kickflips, which you have to have before you get into this, I'm trying to take the practice steps and slim them down because I feel that there's a very few, but if you get those very few really well, it'll help. And if you practice some of the other ones, it won't help. Not only will it not help, but it kind of pushes you in the other direction. So on this one, I want you to step off with your back foot and keep your front foot on there. Because your front foot is the foot that's catching the board, you can pop, spin, flick, get the whole rotation, catch it with your front foot, put it down. And then the only difference between that and a land is you're jumping and bending your back knee and putting it on there. That is it. That is the absolute only difference. So I feel that if you got a decent kickflip, you don't even have to have a great kickflip, a decent kickflip and a good pop shove it, you can do the varial kickflip. A couple other things I want to cover because I've just been getting so many questions recently, which I absolutely love because I love each and every single person learning how to skate, especially all the Braille Army Plus members. But you're not too old to skateboard. You're not too big to skateboard. You're not too young to skateboard. Your skateboard equipment, if it looks anything similar to this, close to this, is totally good and it will get you there. We obviously sell skateboards on brailleskateboarding.com. I feel like we have great boards that are perfect to learn on. If you have a penny board, for example, it's much smaller. It's great for riding and you can ride that around everywhere, but it's very, very difficult to learn how to do a varial flip on a penny board. So if you have a penny board, definitely get a skateboard that looks like this with some nice grip tape on top. That grip tape is very important for you to drag your feet to make it do the rotations that you need it to make. Great. Another thing I want to mention is because all skateboarding is really at the end of the day is physics, you have to understand it's all about friction and how you're moving your feet on this board, right? So this grip tape is rough. So for example, your front foot has to drag on the grip tape. So sometimes I see people doing like a trick where their foot is off, but your foot has to be in contact with that. So on the varial flip, when you pop, you would do the pop shove it, you're dragging your foot, it has to be in contact with that grip tape, and then your ankle will pop up, and that's what's gonna cause the rotation of it to go around. It's not the fact that your foot is dragging, it's the pop up that where it actually goes, bonk, and then your board goes, la da dee, la da da da. It's like a Space Odyssey 2001. Then your back foot lands on there, and you just love it and you roll away like a boss. So, like I said at the beginning, all we're trying to do is keep varial flips alive. This is a program that was started, it's more of a community project than anything else. It's from GC01. Gabe Cruz, the man, the myth, the legend, he loves himself a good, clean varial flip. So he would like to start hashtag keep varial flips alive. If you can just span the comments with hashtag keep varial flips alive, it would make him very, 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 very happy. The purpose and the mission of Braille Skateboarding is to push skateboarding into the world's largest sport by teaching, motivating, inspiring. That's why we make these tutorial videos. That's why we make all the weird, crazy videos of dumping soap in the skate park and doing tricks, because it gets people from outside the skateboarding world into skateboarding, and then they see a video like this and they say, wow, I too would love to keep varial flips alive. So get your varial flips down, have a blast learning them. If you guys need any extra help, go to brailleskateboarding.com/army and sign up for the Braille Army Plus membership through the brand new website, which we just put up. You can make your account, you can log how many tricks you can do, you can post your tricks on there, but even more than that, every single Skateboarding Made Simple volume is on there. A new series that I made specifically to take a brand new skater from zero through kickflip called Skate Coach is on there, and you can direct message me on there showing me your videos and asking me, Aaron, this is my ollie, kickflip, heel flip, etc. What am I doing wrong and how can I make this better? And I will answer you. I might send you a video, I might just send you a message, I might explain to you what you're doing, and then you do it, show me another one, and we get you there. The whole point that I'm trying to make here is that I don't want to just say, great, take this video, good luck. I want to actually follow up and make sure that you actually learn how to do the tricks. So this is your year, it's 2021. Like I said, the mission is to push skateboarding all over the world. That's what we're doing, that's why we're here. You guys are a part of it. You're the absolute best. I thank you so much. Leave a comment below. Ask me for advice on a trick, what trick you're having problems with, any other tutorials you want me to make, let me know. Leave it down there. I will read the comments and I will make more tutorial videos for you. I'm trying to get a tutorial video up every single Tuesday. I'm calling it Tutorial Tuesday. Let's keep the dream alive.
I remember my very first varial flip like it was yesterday.
Oh no.
You were name dropped, you know that?
No.
I landed it, and I was like, whoa, that was actually pretty good. It was actually decent, right?
Yeah?
Landed my varial flip, my friend was
Do you
like,
have this on video?
I do. I literally landed, and my friend's like, you just landed a varial flip, you gonna show Aaron Cairo? And before I knew you, and I was like, at the time, I was like, I don't need help, no. And then
It's okay to get help when you need help, okay?
the hashtag keep varial flips alive.
Let's hashtag keep varial flips alive, people. Just spam the comments below. But let's get you guys learning your varial flips. Please tag me on Instagram. Let's go. Let's get this. Tag me on the Braille skateboarding app. Let's go. Check out all those other videos right there. We got a lot more tutorials. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And yeah, you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It is an absolute blast and it will change your life.